Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify payments without SSN. So, first and foremost, let's answer the question: can you use Shopify payments without an SSN? The answer is if you're in the US, Shopify requires an SSN if you're an individual or sole proprietor. But if you're a registered business, LLC, or corporation, you may be able to use an EIN or employer identification number instead. So, if you're not a US citizen or resident and want to avoid SSN requirements, you can just choose a country that doesn't require an SSN. Example, United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia. But you're going to need a business registered in that country, a local bank account, a tax ID appropriate for that country, but if you're based in Canada, you can set up Shopify payments using a Canadian SIN or social insurance number, which is not an SSN. And if you cannot or don't want to provide an SSN, you can disable Shopify payments and use third party gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and Square with limited integration. So in your admin page on Shopify, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then head over to settings. Next, in the left panel, head over to payments. And all you have to do is set up PayPal. So you can use this as an alternative payment method. All you have to do is click on PayPal, then click on complete setup. And from here, all you have to do is log in with your PayPal account, follow through the guidelines, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!